making
MugTreats.
So before we get started, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button down below, and make that bell turn gray. Now let's get on with the video. So first we're going to be making the MugTreats. So for this you're going to have to get a mug. So we have our mugs here. And we're going to do the MugTreats. The MugTreats are super easy to make. Can you grab a MugTreats? So in the MugTreats, there is 4 packages of stuff, but we are only doing 2. So they come with the mixture, and then there's also frosty ones. So here's your mixture, and here's mine. So first step, we're just gonna open these. Shake it down for a second, and we're just gonna dump the whole thing into our mug. There's a lot in here. They're also rainbow chip cakes, so I'm really excited. Want help? You want me, please? Sure. There we go. Dump the whole thing in. Put these to the side. Wait.
There's sprinkles inside.
Yeah, it's rainbow. I'm excited.
I'm really excited.
It looks so good. Want help? Or no? Should we get all of it out?
Yeah.
Let me see. There, all of the time.
There's some, like, right in a lot in here. At the bottom, like, there's a bunch in the package.
That's good, I think. That's good. Mine's good. We're good. Okay. So the next step is to add 3 tablespoons of water. You got the water over there. You got it? Don't try it. So I'm going to add 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. You want to add your tablespoons? And then you are going to mix. We're going to be using whisks. Mix this up. It shouldn't be turning doughy because you don't want that much water because it's not that much cake mix. Look at this. Look how pretty this looks. It's very rainbowy right now, if you can see it. It looks really pretty. So we will be back when we are done mixing. Okay guys, we're back. And now we're going to put these in the microwave for 1 minute. It will vary on your microwave, but we will put these in the microwave and we will be back. Okay guys, back. And now we're going to add our frosting on. You can add the frosting anyway, but we'll be back when our frosting is done. Now we are going to try this for the first time. Ready? Get some. 3, 2. Ready? Get some. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I love this. The frosting's delicious. The cake is delicious. This tastes like a cake you would get at a birthday party. I love it.
Yeah. So this is like a normal cake, but it's an easier cake that instead of using the stove that kids can make by themselves. It's really easy. You have to buy a pack, and all it is dough, and it comes with frosting, and you just need some water. And that's all you need, and you put it in the microwave.
So, thanks for watching our first treat, mug cakes. Now, let's get on to the next treat. Okay, guys. So, the first ingredient in our milk chocolate mousse is
8 ounces of milk.
the second ingredient we are having in here is the batter. So we are going to add, I don't know if it's really batter, it's just the stuff that makes it into it. So we have to put this in, so we're going to add it in. Whoa, that's a lot of chocolate. So right now ours looks like this. So we have to mix it now for 3 to 5 minutes. We will be back when we're done with that. So now we're going to put it in the freezer for 30 minutes. We will be back after that 30 minutes. Okay guys, we're back. It has been 30 minutes. So now we are going to try this chocolate mousse for the first time. Let's do cheers first. Ready? Cheers. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. It's so good. It's like ice cream.
It tastes like exactly like chocolate, exactly.
It's so good.
I made one with chocolate down, but I can't.
This is literally like chocolate ice cream with so much softer and smoother. It's like the best thing, literally, I've ever tried with chocolate. And I really like it. You like it too? Well, let's end off the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video